What's up, curious minds? Welcome to our channel. So today we embark on the exciting journey into the world of speedcubing, featuring the extraordinary MoreTry Tianna cube. Okay, join us as we explore the intricate design, superior performance, and unique features of the remarkable puzzle crafted for cubers of all skill levels. Yes. In this in-depth video, we'll start by tracing the evolution of the MoreTry Tianna cube, discover the fascinating story behind its creation, from its into concept to advanced engineering that makes it stand out in the world of speedcubing. Learn about the innovative minds and minuscule craftsmanship that have shaped the MoreTry Tianna cube into a cutting-edge cube. Next, we delve into the design features that set the MoreTry Tianna cube apart. Experiencing exceptional corner cutting capabilities and effortless turning, designed to enhance your cubing speed and precision. We break down the technical specification and show you how these features together to deliver superior cubing experience. Through detailed performance analytics, we reveal how the MoreTry Tianna excels in various speedcubing metrics. See the cube in action as we test it in speed, accuracy, and consistency, demonstrating what's preferred choice for both casual solvers and competitive speedcubers. Our expert reviewers, including the top-tier speedcubers, share their first-hand experiences with the MoreTry Tianna. Get valuable insights, tips, and techniques to leverage your cubing skills. Whether you're looking to improve your time or master new algorithms, this expert perspective will provide you with the knowledge you need. Join us as we unbox and assemble the MoreTry Tianna, showcasing its premium components and high-quality construction. We walk you through the unboxing experience, highlighting the attention to detail that makes this a premium product. Unlock the secrets to mastering the MoreTry Tianna with a comprehensive guide, solving techniques, algorithms, and advanced strategies. This segment is designed for cubers of all levels, beginners looking to improve their skills and pros aiming to break records. Connect with the vibrant MoreTry Tianna community, share your experiences, participate in discussions, and join competitions. This community is a hub for exchanging ideas from fellow cubers and celebrating the joy of speedcubing together. As we wrap our celebration of the MoreTry Tianna cube, reflect on the incredible advancements and innovations that continue to shape the world of speedcubing. Celebrate the creativity, challenges, and triumphs that this passionate community. Don't miss out on the unlimited cubing experience. Subscribe to our channel now and join us the thrilling journey with the MoreTry Tianna cube. Let's push the limits, achieve new milestones, and redefine what's possible in the world of speedcubing together.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain